EHEYCIGA dog stairs for small dogs. So I have the 5-step variation that will help my dogs be able to get up to my bed no problem. So you can see you basically just flip over the step and zip it closed, and then it does come with pieces to ensure these stairs are nice and sturdy. So each stair will have a piece that you slide in there like I had demoed with the singular piece. Next, I got my dogs familiar with these steps. I just put some treats on there to get them familiar. And you can see here, totally easy to move around these stairs itself. It actually has a little handle on it if you're toting it from room to room or moving it around at all. And you can see quickly with ease, my dogs learned how to use it and can now get up to the bed no problem. That way they don't end up hurting their joints if they try to jump off the bed is always what I'm worried about, because they're super little as well. Teddy and Chester both made use from it. If you need a shorter one, they do have a smaller variation. Check it out.